look at this. This is what they call over moisturization. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning and watching, commenting and liking. I really appreciate you all. And if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Sandra B Lusati. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, click the subscribe button down below and the notification bell as well, so that you can be part of the notification gang. So let's get right into the video. My applicator bottle is already filled with coconut oil, so I'm just gonna add a few drops of peppermint oil. About 10 drops is enough. A tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, to be specific. And a tablespoon of palm oil. Shake the oil blend and then place it in hot water for about 15 minutes. I am going to now section out my hair and just work in 4 sections, because it's better to work in sections to allow the oil to penetrate your hair evenly. Okay, let me just get something to tie up my hair. And yeah, hot oil treatments can have so many benefits, but it actually depends on the types of oils that you're using to moisturize your hair. So with me, I've used olive oil, palm oil, peppermint oil, as well as coconut oil, each having their own benefits. Now let me start with the benefits of olive oil. So olive oil moisturizes dry hair. It softens hair. Like, that is just a bonus, because who doesn't want soft hair? It also treats dandruff, as well as eliminates buildup. So I can say olive oil is better to be used as, like, before you wash your hair, just put olive oil in it, leave it for at least 15 minutes, and then wash it off. Okay, and now palm oil. You don't actually have to use palm oil just as I did. You can just replace it with jojoba oil or Jamaican black castor oil. And then peppermint oil. I love peppermint oil. Like, peppermint oil is the best oil. That is the type of essential oil that I can't live without. Now, peppermint oil is an oil that you cannot use by itself. You need to add it to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, and all those types of carrier essential oils. And coconut oil is the most affordable oil you can find. You can find it in your supermarkets, your beauty stores, and all that. Coconut oil is good for conditioning, for softening your hair. It adds shine to your hair, stimulates hair growth. Okay, let me just say it's said to stimulate hair growth. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but just try out coconut oil and see for yourself. It repairs damaged hair and it removes sebum buildup. So all I'm doing now is moisturizing my hair with the oils. I'm not gonna wash this off. I just want, like, my hair has been feeling dry for the whole week, so I decided to treat it with a hot oil treatment. Now, the best part about a hot oil treatment is massaging your scalp. This stimulates hair growth, especially when you're trying to grow out your edges. Just put a little bit of oil here and massage your scalp. You don't have to massage it with your nails because you're gonna damage your scalp, but massage it with your fingertips, like so. And be gentle. If you're suffering from hair loss on your edges, massage your scalp with hot oil every other day. Not every evening, but every other day. And in no time, your edges are gonna grow back. Just get in there and massage. Ooh, I feel like I've put a lot of oil on my hair. Just look at this. Wow. I need to wash this off. I put so much. Like, don't be like me. Don't put a lot of oil on your hair. You can just put it on the palms of your hands and just massage it in. Because look at this. This is what they call over moisturization. Look how, like, no man. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a massive thumbs up and leave a comment down below and tell me, do you do hot oil treatments or oil treatments? And what are your favorite oils to use when doing a hot oil treatment? So I will see you in my next video. Bye. It's even dripping right here. Be careful when doing a hot oil treatment, okay? Bye.